Hi there, thanks for joining us here on Prepper's Discount. I wanted to make a video and show everyone our new Hydro Dipped series. These are Hydro Dip painted, professionally done, and Cerakoted. If any of you know about Cerakote finishes, they are extremely durable, scratch resistant, rust resistant. Obviously you don't have to worry about that. This is aluminum, but very, very good quality material. We are using our D and C size tubes, and we're having them professionally done in a variety of different finishes. This one happens to be skulls. You can kind of see that. See the skulls. And we've got the Muddy Girl camo finish. And, it seems to be very popular. We have the Nomad, which is also very, very popular for the tactical side. We have the Nomad Green, and we make these in a variety of threads. Actually, we make it in a 5/8 and a 1/2 inch thread for either a C size tube or a D size tube. So you can pick and choose not only the finish you want, such as US flags. We've got digital camo. We have a variety. We've got the hunter color for winter white. We have the standard camo, which is extremely popular. And something new that we are going to be adding to the line is going to be called the Viper tube. Now this comes as a huge request from a lot of our customers. This is a black anodized D tube with a Viper end on both sides. However, this one happens to have 2 holes in it. When you order this, when we're going to make this available on the website, you're going to get a choice of threads, either a 1/2 inch or 5/8, and then this end is going to be a solid piece. So you'll have a complete looking unit. Now, give me 1 second. I'm going to grab a rifle, and I want you to see what this looks like on the rifle. Okay, we're back with our trusty AR rifle, and I wanted to show you what the Viper solvent trap looks like on this unit. And I think, as many people have seen, you're going to be kind of impressed how this thing looks. Now, if I can back up a little bit, show this to you. Let me just move this a little bit. This is serious BA. This looks very cool. It is very sharp looking, very serious. The end being tapered just gives it an extremely serious tactical feel to it. So this will be available soon, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate, give us a call and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.